Car jump starters give drivers peace of mind when they're on the road. These handy devices can restart a dead car battery without needing another vehicle. Many models also offer useful features like USB charging ports, emergency lights, digital displays, and built-in air compressors. Whether you need a compact backup for everyday driving or a powerful option for larger engines, a jump starter can save valuable time and reduce stress during emergencies. In this video, we'll explore the best car jump starters available right now. The NOCO Boost AirAX 65 claims 2000 amps, but independent testing tells a different story. Lab results reportedly show around 400 amps of actual cranking power. While that may sound disappointing, 400 amps is still enough for many demanding vehicles. The AX65 has been verified for petrol engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters, making it suitable for large SUVs, pickup trucks, and many diesel vehicles. What really separates the AX65 from the competition is its built-in air compressor. It can deliver up to 67 liters of air per minute, inflating a completely flat tire to 40 psi in roughly 2 minutes. For simple top-ups, it can add pressure in less than 20 seconds. It also doubles as a 60-watt portable power bank and can recharge in about 48 minutes. Build quality is another strong point, with heavy-duty clamps and multiple safety protections designed to make operation easier and safer. However, at around 4.5 kilograms, or 10 pounds, it is far too bulky for most glove boxes. Testing also showed it could handle approximately 5 consecutive jump starts before requiring a cooldown, along with about 2 full tire inflations per charge. Overall, the AX65 is best suited to owners of larger trucks, caravans, boats, and serious off-road vehicles who value powerful fast tire inflation. The WOLFBOX MegaVolt 24 is a strong value option that combines impressive capability with a compact design. It is ideal for everyday vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks, while weighing only 1.2 kilograms, or about 2.6 pounds. Its built-in 160 psi air compressor can inflate a standard tire in roughly 3 minutes, making it useful during common roadside emergencies. The MegaVolt 24 also works as a 65-watt fast charger, allowing you to power laptops and other devices while on the road. The unit itself can recharge in around 2 hours. In addition, its 160-watt DC output can run various compatible car accessories, adding even more versatility. In testing, the MegaVolt 24 reportedly handled V6 and V8 engines confidently, including a 5.7-liter V8 pickup, and provided assistance with smaller diesel engines on a single charge. Unlike the NOCO, which is designed for larger diesel applications, this model is better suited to everyday vehicles and occasional heavier use. The main downside is the compressor noise, which can be quite noticeable. Still, its compact size and accurate automatic shutoff make it practical. For drivers seeking strong performance without paying a premium, the MegaVolt 24 is an excellent road trip companion. The Strauto Jump Starter is a great budget-friendly choice if you want a compact and reliable emergency backup without spending a lot. With up to 1,200 peak amps, it can handle everyday vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and other smaller engines. Its biggest advantage is portability. The Strauto is small and lightweight, making it easy to store in your trunk, glove box, or center console. You can keep it with you at all times without taking up much space. It also comes with several useful emergency features, including a boost function for weak batteries, an LED flashlight, an SOS mode, and USB-A charging for smaller electronic devices. While it may be the simplest jump starter on this list, it still provides everything most drivers need for basic roadside emergencies. However, it is not designed for heavy-duty applications. Owners of large trucks, SUVs, or diesel vehicles may want something more powerful. But for everyday drivers looking for an affordable, portable, and practical backup, the Strauto is an excellent starting point. The DeWalt DXE J14 is a great choice for drivers who prefer a traditional jump starter with the added convenience of a built-in air compressor. Delivering up to 1,600 peak amps, it provides enough power for most 4, 6, and 8-cylinder vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of everyday cars and trucks. However, its biggest advantage is that it does more than simply restart a dead battery. The built-in 120 psi digital air compressor allows you to inflate your tires whenever pressure gets too low. That makes the DeWalt particularly useful during roadside emergencies, giving you two important tools in one unit. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or a flat tire, it can help get you back on the road. The DXE-J14 also includes USB charging, a convenient digital display, and reverse polarity protection to help prevent incorrect clamp connections. The main downside is its size. It is considerably larger and heavier than compact jump starters, so it is better suited for keeping in your trunk. Still, if you want a durable, versatile, all-in-one emergency tool from a trusted brand, the DeWalt DXE-J14 is an excellent option. The AstroAI S8 Ultra is our top compact high-power pick for drivers who want serious performance without carrying a bulky emergency unit. With up to 4,000 peak amps and a large 24,000 mAh battery, it can handle engines up to 10 liters for gasoline vehicles and 8 liters for diesel engines. That gives it enough power for most cars, SUVs, pickups, and even many larger vehicles. What makes the AstroAI S8 Ultra stand out is its excellent balance between power and portability. Unlike basic budget jump starters, it offers significantly more starting power while remaining compact and easy to store in your vehicle. If you want strong performance without the size and weight of a traditional jump starter, this model is an excellent choice. It also doubles as a portable power bank for smartphones and other small devices. An emergency flashlight adds extra convenience, while built-in safety protections help reduce the risk of common connection errors. For most drivers, the S8 Ultra offers a practical middle ground between compact design and powerful performance. The main limitation is the lack of a built-in air compressor. If tire inflation is important to you, the DeWalt or WOLFBOX may be better choices. But for compact, dependable jump-starting power, the AstroAI S8 Ultra is easy to recommend. The WOLFBOX 4000A is one of the best all-in-one roadside tools for drivers who want power and versatility in a single device. It delivers up to 4,000 peak amps and features a 24,000 mAh battery, with enough capacity to support gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 10 liters. That makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including everyday cars, SUVs, pickups, and many diesel-powered vehicles. It also offers fast charging, an emergency light, and a clear display that lets you quickly check important information while using the device. For road trips, family vehicles, or anyone who wants extra roadside protection, the WOLFBOX 4000A is a practical option. It combines strong jump-starting performance with useful emergency features, making it more versatile than a basic battery-only jump starter. The main downside is its larger size compared with smaller portable models. However, if you want one dependable device that can restart your vehicle and provide emergency power when needed, the WOLFBOX 4000A is an excellent choice for most drivers. The GOOLOO GT6000 is the best overall choice if maximum jump-starting power is your main priority. With up to 6,000 peak amps, it is the most powerful model in this lineup and is designed to handle all gasoline engines, along with diesel engines up to 12 liters. That makes it an excellent option for larger trucks, SUVs, vans, RVs, and diesel-powered vehicles. The GT6000 also features a large 27,000 mAh battery, allowing it to double as a powerful portable power bank. Its 100-watt USB-C fast-charging capability adds even more versatility, letting you quickly charge smartphones, tablets, and compatible laptops compared with standard USB outputs. Another standout feature is the large digital display. It provides useful information such as the remaining battery level and jump start status, making the unit easier to monitor and operate during stressful roadside situations. The GT6000 earns the #1 spot because it combines exceptional starting power, broad engine compatibility, fast USB-C charging, and a premium user experience. Its main limitation is the lack of a built-in air compressor. If tire inflation is also important, the WOLFBOX may be a better fit. However, if your priority is reliably starting dead batteries, especially on large engines, the GOOLOO GT6000 is the strongest overall option on this list.